Well, it's a little lame out here. There's not much snow. But should we try to build a snowman? Should we try to build a snowman?
Yeah.
What do you think, Dev? Should we try to build a snowman? Ooh, what's that feel like? Yeah. You gonna try to eat it? Ew.
I ate it.
Whoa, that is a big piece to eat. Ow!
Alright, it's not good gloves.
Not good gloves?
No.
All right.
Hey, wanna build this?
Yeah, snow angel. Now your hands are gonna get really cold though.